LOL, never mind. Hello, Bean. Oh, hi. No. No biting. Does it taste burnt?
Yeah, a little bit.
Dude, what the hell?
What?
Charlie!
It's time to do it again, Jenna.
Vlogging!
Vlogging! Thanks for picking up breakfast.
Welcome. Guys, I didn't have any.
Hey guys, so it's been a couple days and it looks like I have really short hair right now, but we're gonna deal with it and my face looks disgusting, but maybe I should close the that doesn't really help, but like whatever. I remember why I haven't vlogged in the past like a long time. I had a bad couple days and that's why I haven't vlogged again. That's why see, I can't do it. Okay, let's try this again. Oh my lord, the sun is really bright. Like I was trying to say in the last clip, I remember now why I don't really vlog that often. Because A, I don't really do anything fun because school and work. And B, I feel like it's kind of been a common occurrence lately that if I am vlogging a day, like the day usually ends bad so that I don't end up vlogging at all. So then it's just like not even a vlog anymore. It's just not even like anything. So we're gonna try this again. Here I am. And I guess also answer number C. I don't know how to vlog. I don't know what to say. But we're still gonna try this and I'm gonna do my best. Oh my lord, the sun needs to just chill out. Alright, so there was a snowstorm last night. Look at my poor Prius. Like, this is absolutely insane. But it's like really nice out, so I'm a little bit nervous about driving because it is so snowy and like it's like a wet kind of snow, so like I feel like you could potentially like just sink. So I'm a little concerned, but we're gonna give this a go. It's also Charlie's first birthday today. I didn't get to see her much this morning because I'm leaving like an hour early to try to get to class on time because I'm sure the roads aren't gonna be great. Okay, the verdict is in. The roads aren't great. There's a lot of like huge ridges. So that again is making me nervous, but so far so good. Woo! You know, I'm not a huge fan of this snowstorm here, but it is March and it is also 0 degrees right now. So like the end is near, spring is on its way. Like we just have to get through this, you know what I mean? So it's not like we had like a huge snowstorm in January and then we were gonna have to deal with this for like months still. This is all gonna be over before we know it. Let's just like drift around this corner here. Oh god. Okay, so the highway is relatively clear. Like I was worried that there was gonna be huge like piles of snow everywhere. There isn't. That's a plus. The next obstacle we have to face is the university parking lot because that gets super out of hand. And I don't really think they like are too quick to clean it, so I'm a little concerned about that because I also got stuck in the parking lot once last year because it was so snowy, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I've made it to university, but as you can see, I'm not in my parking lot because, oh my gosh, the amount of snow in there, I didn't even try to turn in because, like I said, before. I got stuck in there last year and I'm not risking that again because that is really stressful and I'm by myself and I don't have to deal with that. So I'm just gonna park in the parkade today and suck it up and pay for parking, even though I have a parking pass that I pay like a lot of money for every year. But you know what? You gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm just gonna be safe here. I have made it to school very early. It's more than an hour until class starts, but you know what? It's better to be early than to be stressing out and running late because of this weather. So, oh, my hand really hurts. Like, ouch. Like, do you ever get it where you just like, I don't know, like pinch a nerve or something? Okay, my hand actually really hurts. But anyway, I'm gonna go in now. There's also a person beside me. That's why like I'm vlogging funny. Oh, but she can't see, I don't think. Anyway, I'm happy that I didn't get stuck. I'm happy that I made it here safely. Merry Christmas, everyone. I am here so early that like literally nothing is open. So I've made it with an hour to spare. I literally got to this room and the lights weren't even turned on. I'm really early. I don't mind because I hate being stressed out about being late. And I also have this whole room to myself, so like, sweet deals. So I guess I'm just gonna sit here and maybe like go on my laptop, I don't know. I'm getting lots of snow in the face right now. Okay, class is over. And I'm going to work now. I'm not gonna lie, this weather does make me feel super cozy. And the only thing that I'm gonna say about this snow, aside from the fact that it makes me feel super cozy, is that it gives great lighting. Like, look at this right now. It's great. And despite these winter conditions, I'm still listening to the spring playlist. Okay, shit. I cannot park in my normal parking lot over here either because I just witnessed a van trying to shovel itself out, so that's not happening. Okay, so I got a spot in the parkade here. And I'm just gonna walk quickly down to the street straight outside the parkade because it's like really pretty out there. The trees look gorgeous, so I'm gonna try to like, whoa. I'm gonna try to like take a picture or two just before I head into work. Lots of people are out with their cameras right now. Alright, so workday is done and I'm walking to the car. Make sure I don't get hit by a car. It's still like pretty mild outside. Oh, there's someone in the car, one sec. There are like lots of cars stuck in a lot across the street. Thank God I didn't park there. Oh, okay. On closer inspection, it is the tow truck himself that is stuck and another tow truck is trying to get him out. Oh man, I love winter. Where's the birthday girl? There you are. Hi, honey. Are you having a good birthday?
Birthday girl got a piece of pizza.
And that concludes March 2K18 Snowstorm and Char's first birthday. I just went upstairs to say goodnight to that little shit. She was kind of naughty today. I think it was just because she was so excited because it was her birthday. I'm sorry that I look like such a piece of shit. Like, I'm breaking out like you wouldn't believe. Like, my chin and like it's just like awful. I don't know what's happening to me. And I'm not really sure what's happening over here with my eyebrow either. Like, my god. That's definitely one of the reasons why I haven't been like vlogging consistently, is because like when I get home from university or work, like I take off my makeup straight away because I just hate feeling like greasy. And I mean, I don't know what's worse for you guys, like me looking like a piece of shit naturally like this, or me looking like a piece of shit because I'm like greasy as fuck. Anyway, I'm like super proud of myself that I actually like vlogged all day today. Oh, Crystal just came in. I'm actually super proud of myself that I vlogged all day today. Like, I don't even remember the last time that I actually vlogged like a full day. I have like so many like just random clips of different days where I was gonna start vlogging and then didn't end up vlogging like the rest of the day. But today I actually did, so hopefully I can keep that up, because like I always say, I genuinely enjoy vlogging and I hate it when I stop. So let's hope I can keep this up. And oh my god, do you ever get so tired that you start to see color differently? Because like I was just like laying on my bed chilling like on my phone, and I literally started seeing the colors on my phone like different. Like it was like, I can't even describe what it was like, but that's how tired I am. So like, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Good morning and welcome to another beautiful day in the life of Julia Beal. I am just about to leave right now. It's no longer, what the heck? Oh, that's my mitt. It's no longer nice outside. It's actually quite chilly. I am again concerned about getting out of this spot here because there is so much snow. It has frozen over a bit though, so it might actually be easier to get out. I'm not sure. But we're gonna try this and hope for the best. Lipstick on my teeth? No, we're good, I think. We're good? That van is just cruising. Good for you, lady. All right, let's try this. Gotta get my mitts on. I hope my video doesn't turn off because of the music. See, I knew it would. All right, let's give this a go. I am. Okay, it literally did it again. That was really annoying. Don't you dare. Oh, we're good. So I'm leaving like 18 minutes early here just because I was so concerned. So I'm sure you saw the sheer terror on my face just then, because the Prius was not moving. I had to give it a little more gas and then we were fine, but like I mean, at least the sun's out, right? Like, it's so weird because I used to be the type of person that like lived for cloudy days and preferred winter over summer, and I don't know what it is. It's just, maybe it's because I'm getting older. I'm like almost 20 years old now, that like I just can't take winter anymore. Like I just can't do it. Like I am so happy that it's springtime. Usually I fucking hate spring, and like I'm usually not a fan of sunny days like whatsoever at all. Sorry, this is a weird angle. But I don't know, recently I've just been like loving the sun, and it kind of makes me feel a little bit uncomfortable, me saying that, but it's just the reality of it, I guess. I mean, and I also was thinking about how like, I mean, okay, there's a lady and I don't want to hit her. I mean, like, I was thinking about it because I'm so excited for summer, and that like kind of makes sense because like my favorite season is fall, as all of you know. Sorry about like the weird light on my face. As all of you know. And would it not make sense then that my second favorite season would be summer because it's the season before fall? So like logically, it makes tons of sense. But yeah, moral of the story is A, I got out of the front street. B, I'm going to school. C, I'm really excited for summer. And D, I am now a person that likes sunny days. Wearing new shoes today, by the way. I'll show you that outfit later. Okay, hello. It's like so nice out. There's like absolutely no wind and it's just so mild. I wasn't expecting that. Oh my gosh, it's 1 degrees. What? Okay, what? Yeah, I said they look great. No. Okay, I'm vlogging. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm home from school now and we got new couches. Finally. Because our other couches are pieces of shit.
They're just staring at you.
I don't know why it's so fucking funny, but it's over there. Oh, I can't zoom in, oh shit, on the front camera. But everyone's just like eating baked potatoes and I'm not, because I think I'm just gonna have cereal for lunch, maybe a baked potato for dinner.
They're so cool.
Yes, I already know that, you don't have to tell me, thanks. Oh god. So these are my new shoes that I was talking about. They're just like little like booties and I just really like them. And this is the outfit. I'm wearing this like sweater jacket thing from Aritzia, this v-neck t-shirt from Aritzia, and this scarf from Aritzia. Can't really see because it's super dark in here. Wait 1 second. Oh, well. You get the idea. Oh, sweetie. Sweetie, I know my jacket looks super comfortable, but babies aren't allowed to lay on that, okay? Do you ever get it where like you really want to get into your pajamas and be comfortable, but you like your outfit so much that you don't want to change? Because like that's what I'm going through right now, and like I have schoolwork to do this afternoon and I want to be comfortable, and in order to concentrate I feel like I should be in like really comfortable clothes. Not that this is like necessarily uncomfortable, it's just not like the comfiest, you know what I'm saying? But like I don't want to change. I think I'm just gonna have to do it. Maybe I'll like wear this again on Friday, because on Fridays at work we get to wear jeans, so like heck yeah. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just gonna spend the afternoon doing some reading for university. I just got my dirt all over my bed. My jeans are like extremely dirty from my car. Alright, I can't handle this anymore. The makeup is coming off. I don't want it on my face anymore. Hi, Chris. Much better. Now I'm just gonna cuddle up in bed for like a minute because it's really cold in my room and I just need to warm up and like rest for a second. I've got a visitor. Testing out the new couches. So far so good. I also think I just found a new selfie spot as opposed to my car, because I've decided it's now against the rules to have any more car selfies on my Instagram because it's just out of control. I just fell down the bottom half of my stairs carrying my water jug and I got water all over myself. But anyway, it's much later on now. It's just before 7:30 and I completely forgot I was vlogging. I'll give you a little rundown of what I've been up to. Oh, there's lots of hangers back here. I had breakfast for dinner. I had hash browns, tempeh bacon, and waffles, which was pretty lit. And then I was just like hanging out upstairs on the new couches. And then I'm now downstairs. Oh, because I'm just gonna start, I guess, winding down, you can say. And I'm gonna watch an episode of Homeland because I have one episode left of the 2nd season, but yeah, it's just like a really lit show, so. Good morning, everyone. I look like a fucking piece of shit because I woke up so late and had to wash my hair. I didn't really have time to straighten it, and my makeup is like awful today because, again, I had so little time. And breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so I had to make sure that I squeezed in breakfast, and I did. So yeah, please excuse my face. But anyway, I am just driving to school right now, and it's like super foggy. Well, you can't really tell that it's foggy, but like it is so foggy right now. And it is now Friday, March 9th. I haven't vlogged, I guess, like the past 2 days just because like nothing has been going on. And now I've realized that I don't vlog because nothing ever is going on in my life because I'm either at work or at school or doing schoolwork at home. So it's like, you know what I mean? I just don't have a lot to vlog. But anyway, I guess I'll end the vlog here. I don't think I really have a lot of footage for this one, but it's kind of like a good, just like little mini vlog to like get back into things, you know what I'm saying? Let you all know that I'm still alive. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later.